Verbos como gustar, verbs like gustar. The first thing you need to know when using a verb like gustar are your indirect object pronouns. Your indirect object pronouns are in yellow, and those should go in the boxes. Those are me, te, le, nos, os, les. These you have to have. What you can also include are clarifiers, and that's what you see outside the box, so please write those as well. You can always say a mí me gusta. You can always say a ti. You could have a él or a ella or a usted or a in a person's name before le. Outside of the box on nosotros, you should have a nosotros, a vosotros, a ellos, a ellas, a ustedes, a los chicos. These words in the black are clarifiers, okay? These give emphasis or clarification to who is doing the action. Again, here in the middle, me, te, le, nosos, les, you have to have. Then we have verbs like gustar, and unlike conjugating verbs that you've already learned in present tense, gustar you only use two different forms. You either use gusta or you use gustan. And now this is determined by what follows the verb. Okay? So I'm talking about things I like. I'm going to start with me because I like it. And now I'm going to choose gusta, el fútbol. This is a singular noun. Okay? If I like to do something, again, I like it, so me. Gusta jugar el fútbol. To do something, notice jugar is an infinitive verb. You never conjugate a verb after a verb like gustar. Okay? So, verbs like gustar, you use gusta. For a singular thing, you use gusta if you like to do something or infinitive verb. You use gustan when what follows a verb like gustar is a plural noun, like me gustan los deportes. So again, plural thing is gustan. Some other verbs that'll follow the same form, so you'll only use the la usted form, a or an, or in the cases like caer, you can use e or en, but we have encantar, faltar, fascinar, molestar, interesar, and importar. Okay? So choosing the indirect object pronoun and the ending of the verb are two separate things. And let's look at some examples here. Okay? So to start with here, I have a ti. A ti. Okay? A ti means I'm going to choose te. I can say a ti te, or I could just say te. Now I have los libros, so I'm going to choose gustan and los libros. A ella means I'm going to choose le. What follows a verb like gustar is an infinitive verb, hablar con amigos, so I'm going to choose fascina. A ella le fascina. A nosotros means I'm going to choose nos. What follows the verb like gustar is an infinitive verb, so I'm going to choose, it's a plural noun, so encantan los deportes. A ellos, okay, so I'm going to choose les. La tarea is a singular noun. Again, the verb like gustar has nothing to do with it goes in front. It's whatever follows directly after it, so I'm going to choose molesta. La tarea.